Negril Police Station, what's your emergency?
You alright, and now water commission cut off my light and I can't get forged nigga G's.
Please check to ensure you have enough credit to make this
Damn,
call.
I book a blood clot shot out last night, youth. I said the girl sexy, yo, fuck my youth. What you say to me, dog? Where she come from, dog? Oh, she look, dog. Yo, dog, how she look, dog? Dog, me say, dog, I want shorty, dog, one brown shorty from Orange Town, dog, named Keisha, yo, youth. And me all fuck it to you, dog. You see? Keisha, my youth. Keisha. Dog. Keisha from Orange Town, dog. I'm a woman that in a dog. How you say to me, dog? I'm a woman that in a dog. Sorry, dog. I never know, dog. She tell me say she never had no man, dog. But pussy did good still, you know, dog. You understand? My bad, my bad. Oh, my Jesus. Dog, I'm gonna kill you, dog. I'm gonna kill you, dog. I'm sorry, dog, but me a fuck. Bill, dog, Bill, dog. Bill. Yo, they see how they ready to hurt.